I cannot believe I'm about to eat this. Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. We are hanging out at the dog park at the Circus RV Resort in Las Vegas. And I can't believe I'm gonna say this, but we, as in me and her, are about to try some dog treats. Let's see how they taste. Back up. Do you want this? Do you want that? Hey, look. She doesn't like hard treats, so I'm thinking that if I eat it first, she would eat it. Zena, do you want that? Do you want this? Do you want this? You don't want it? So the reason I had this idea to try dog treats is we were going through the store and we found some treats that said they were human grade, but then on the bag it said that humans could not eat them. And I found out that we're not allowed to eat a lot of their treats, and I don't want Zena to be eating anything that is so unhealthy that I should not eat it. So I found these at Kohl's, these Wild One treats, and I emailed the company and they said that they are safe for humans to try. These ones are supposed to taste like veggie burgers. Now the reason I like it is these are the only ingredients. There's not very many ingredients, and most of these are things that I would eat, like carrots and sweet potatoes. Zena, we are going to try the dog treat. Now the hope is that if I eat it, she'll like it. Zena, what is this? That was not good. Hey, you want this? That tastes, I would think as cardboard would taste. You want this? You don't want it. I just ate a dog treat and you don't want it. Why don't you want it? You don't even want to try it? You don't even want to sniff it? Well, if you liked me trying a dog treat that tasted terrible and Zena won't even eat it, then make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for checking this out. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one. Say, comment on my video, please. Like and subscribe.